That's included in our write-up. Well, everything you listed on there except your quote-unquote couplet upgrades are in our write-up and listed and accounted for.
Yeah, but there's
ridge, starter shingles, all that stuff's in there.
But there's no.
That's it.
But there's no starter shingle on this quote. It's a line item in.
No, it's not for us. You got everything I'm paying on that roof, and will ever pay.
You would agree that there are minimum ethical standards that adjusters have to meet when they're adjusting claims?
Yes, there's standards we got to meet.
Help transform 13 small colonies into a great and growing nation of more than 300 people.
You've heard the phrase, like a good neighbor.
Yes.
What does that mean?
My interpretation of that is you want an insurance company to treat you just as friendly, as respectfully as a neighbor. I've never been involved in any training, official training for like a good neighbor.
We've written to those customers as well.
We've sent them all to you.
The proposals.
This nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident.
You're required to be open and honest when you're dealing with the homeowners.
Repeat that.
Not a problem. Tell you what I'll do for you, just to make this a lot easier for everybody. We'll get the material out there, we'll do the roof, and then we'll call the inspector out.
No.
Yeah.
No, we won't do.
Now, is there any instruction or training that State Farm employees get about what like a good neighbor means?
I've never been involved in any training, official training for like a good neighbor.
And
We'll do it for your agreed upon price, and then I'll get the building inspector out there, and he can, if he okays it, great. If he doesn't, then, you know, I guess you and the homeowner can deal with it.
you're expected to be open and honest when you're dealing with the homeowner.
When I'm dealing with the homeowner, open and honest, yes.
I still have a dream.
Let's be fair and reasonable.
Rephrase that.
You know what it's supposed to mean to the insureds, like a good neighbor?
I can't speak for the insurance. I wouldn't know how they interpret it.
The good neighbor, is that something that the employees of State Farm are bound by?
I'm not bound by it. I don't know what the other employees are bound by.
Read my lips.
So you're not told you need to act like a good neighbor on your claims?
No, sir.
Free at last! Free at last! Thank God Almighty, we are free at last!
For a better America, for an endless, enduring dream and 1,000 points of light. This is my mission, and I will complete it.